Hello and welcome to the onboarding tutorial for your BeeSavvy business setup. What I'm going to do is show you exactly what you need to do to get everything set up here in the back end so that the front end works perfectly for you. Now, of course, you don't have to set everything up that you see in what I'm about to show you, but the more that you integrate and the more that you set up, the better it will be for you, because that's how software is. It works best when you can use it at its most advantageous. Okay, so the very first thing, let's jump in. When you've received your details after you've signed up, you will have an email and password. And so you access it by going to portal.beesavvy.app, enter your details, and when you first log into this, it's going to ask you to send a code or registered email. Make sure to check your email, punch that code in, and you will open up your BeeSavvy dashboard like this. And isn't it beautiful? So the first thing we're going to do today is I want to go into Launchpad, this very top one here, because everything you see on the left are all the tools that you'll need to be able to integrate, to connect, to communicate, and to market to your customers for your services or your products. And it will also be a place where you can set up your appointments, all of the opportunities, you can set up your payment details, etc., right through here. So everything you need is right literally in one spot. And that's what we aim to do, is to provide you with the easiest method to manage your business and, most importantly, to connect with your customers and to fulfill your orders. So when we jump into Launchpad, what you're going to see here are areas that you want to connect, and you want to integrate as many of these as you can, like I said, so that it empowers your business to be able to use all the tools that we have. So first and foremost, I would encourage you to integrate is your Google My Business. Now, if you don't have one, I would strongly recommend you go and set it up. It's really simple. You just connect it. Now, if you already have that, you can connect it right here through this connect button. Add your contact details, and that will obviously help to boost all of your rankings for SEO, help improve your website ranking, help improve your automation, and all of those good marketing tips that you need to run your business. Secondly, what I would then do is connect directly with your prospects through your messenger, your conversation, through social media, most likely through Facebook, Instagram, etc. The importance of setting this up is so that then you can manage all of your conversations through the left panel here. When you collect on conversations, now obviously this is a sample site. I've just called it Best Agency, just so that we can use it for tutorials. But when you've connected your social media over here, you'll be able to manage your conversations. And more than that, you can actually then run your marketing campaigns through this tab over here, which we'll go into more detail later on. So you'll have a full social media planner, emails, you'll be able to access all of our templates, etc. as you launch your campaigning. Again, you would have to set up, once you've set up your social media in this one place, you can manage all of your accounts, set up your automated emails, campaigns, and templates up here. It is so powerful, so feature rich. That's why I'm saying when you jump back into Launchpad, you really want to connect these. Now, this is self-explanatory. You can connect your Stripe if you have a Stripe account so that you can take payments. There's Yext, which enables you to boost your SEO instantly. You can connect that. You can manage your WordPress account or build directly through our platform, which we will show you at a later training video, or host it directly through us. So either or, it gives the power to you. But I'll tell you what, if you want to build your site on here, you'll be amazed at what you can do. Lastly, in this Launchpad section, I want to show you here where you can add more of your team members. So if you want others to be able to access your account, I would suggest that you add them here. They'll be able to see and access all that you have apart from the ability to add new users. So, and I just want to point this out. If at any point you forget or you get confused, there's this green button up here that says learn more about the Launchpad. So it will actually detail what page you're on, and it will take you through a little tutorial or reminder of what that page or that automation or that part of our system can do for you. So don't ever worry about it if you get stuck. Secondly, I also have this little guy here. You see this? This is our little chat widget. So at any point, if you get stuck, you can open this guy up, send a text, and you can have access to all of our FAQs and frequently asked questions. You can actually have a conversation, you can have a chat, you can contact us by email, etc. It's self-explanatory, but if you ever get stuck, just go on here, jump online, and you'll be able to access all of our resources there. We want to make this as easy for you to run and manage your business. So let's shut that down. The last thing I want to just show you real quick here on the left is to go into the settings tab right here on the bottom. When you click on that, I want you then to be able to set up your business. You can add your logo on here. You can add, like I said here, best agency. Whatever you want to title your business, thinking about your customer, or if you already have an existing business, set it all up here. It's all very self-explanatory. The beauty of this is whatever country you're at, wherever you establish your business, it will change its currency to your specific country that you do business in. So it's very integrated, easy to manage. We also have a text callback system, so you can actually set up your own phone number. And I'll explain that in more depth later. But basically what that means is that when you have customers calling you, and for whatever reason, you look down here at missed calls and text back, you can't get to them. You can set up an automated text and say, hi, this is such and such. I saw that we just missed your call. How can I help? You can set this up to whatever you want. This is fully customizable. You see me as I'm typing up here. You can customize it to your heart's content, depending on whatever service or how you want to respond to your customers. Now, obviously, these things are important to set up. Get yourself familiar so that you can get your business integrated to as many of your area, basically the areas where you are normally communicating and connecting with your customers. I can guarantee it's probably through your social media and through managing your Google My Business. Those two areas, if you can get that set up right now, then you can launch with us and jump into the next video where I'll show you some further integrations that will surely boost your launch and help you get to that sweet spot in your business. Anyway, all the best, and I'll see you on the next one.